In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix text messages not failed to send on Android. Intro. First, what you need to do is just refresh your mobile connection. So swipe down from the top right of the screen to open up your quick settings. And this never displays when I'm screen recording, so just keep that in mind. But tap airplane mode and leave that on for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Once your cellular signal bars return to normal, try sending that message again. If it still fails, swipe up from the home screen and open up your settings and then scroll down on here and you need to select apps. Once you select apps, go ahead and find your messages app and you can just go ahead and search for it as well. But open it up, it's going to look something like this for you, and what you need to do is first hit force stop down in the bottom right, and then scroll down on here, you're going to see storage, open that up, and then hit clear cache. It's going to remove the temporary app files without deleting your conversations, and then you could just reopen up messages and try sending that text again. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.